everyone, I'm John Rasmussen from the HK Shooting Team, here to talk to you a little bit about the HK MR556 and MR762 rifles. The MR556 and the MR762 are the civilian versions of the HK 416 and 417 rifles. Both the MR556 and MR762 are piston-driven guns, offering you a cleaner and cooler running rifle even after extended firing sessions. Both rifles feature HK's legendary hammer-forged, cannon-grade steel barrels, known for their superior longevity and accuracy. The MR762 is also available in a long-range package, which includes a Harris bipod and a Leupold tactical scope, and other long-range accessories. Both the MR556 and MR762 feature a 4-rail Picatinny handguard capable of mounting a number of accessories. The MR556 and MR762 rifles are the choice of the HK Shooting Team, as well as civilian and law enforcement officers around the country. So head on down to your local sporting goods store and check out any one of the MR rifles. From all of us at HK, thanks for your time.
This is the Ruger AR556 MPR, chambered in .450 Bushmaster. What sets this rifle apart is a high-strength super alloy bolt with a unique bolt lug geometry, making it the strongest, most reliable modern sporting rifle chambered in .450 today. This rifle features an 18 5/8 inch nitrided barrel for accuracy and velocity, and it's capped with a radial port muzzle brake to help tame the recoil of the cartridge. Of course, it's started 11/16/24, which is a standard thread pitch for suppressors for these big bore cartridges. We have a 15-inch free flow M-LOK handguard that gives you a lot of adaptability and versatility, and it sits over our carbine length gas system that's the most reliable way to power a .450 Bushmaster AR. The upper and lower receivers are machined from mil-spec forgings, hard-coat anodized, and features an enlarged port for reliable ejection. Ruger's Elite 452 trigger gives you a sure, crisp trigger pull and is paired with Magpul's MOE grip and MOE SL buttstock. With a 5-round magazine, a cartridge that delivers twice the energy of 5.56 NATO, this becomes a perfect rifle for big whitetail, bear, pigs, and heavy steel. For more information about the Ruger AR556 MPR, chambered in .450 Bushmaster.
I'm Jerry Michalak, professional shooter for Team Smith & Wesson, and I'd like to show you the new Smith & Wesson M&P 15T rifle. Some of the features of this rifle, it comes with a 6-position adjustable buttstock. Forward of that, it has the Magpul M-Bus flip-up side assemblies, both front and rear. Going down from there, it comes with the integral forged trigger guard. The handguard assembly is a 13-inch free-floating M&P Slim handguard with M-LOK capability. It ships with a 2-inch section of M-LOK rail, so if you want to attach a vertical grip or sighting assembly, you can do that. The barrel is a lightweight contour. It's a 16-inch barrel, comes with a mid-length gas system. It's chambered in 5.56 NATO with 5-aught rifling and a twist and 8, so it accepts the lightest bullet onto the heaviest bullet. It also has an Armonite finish, both interior and exterior, for wear resistance and also corrosion resistance. The barrel assembly is topped off with Smith & Wesson's proprietary flash suppressor. It also offers a mild degree of a muzzle brake. It's all topped off with the Magpul 30-round PMag.
Imitation is easy. Innovation is not. Introducing the Barrett Rec 10. No corners cut, no detail overlooked, and built from the ground up for the world's most demanding users. Every component of the Rec 10 has been engineered to guarantee combat reliability, durability, and accuracy that shooters expect from the Barrett name. Each variant of the Rec 10 features an optimized direct impingement gas system that minimizes recoil and allows for both suppressed and unsuppressed fire. The upper and lower receivers are machined from billet 7075 T6 aluminum and feature ambidextrous controls. The slimline free-float aluminum handguard utilizes M-LOK accessory mounting slots and a full-length Picatinny top rail for sights and electro-optics. Available in .308 Winchester and .65 Creedmoor, the Rec 10 stands above all others on the hunt at the range.
M4A1. The M4A1 is renowned for its durability and its utilization throughout the special operations community over the last 10 years. The DDM4A1 rifle was designed to withstand the harshest conditions that an end user could throw at it. This is the reason Special Operations Command chose this rifle as its duty rifle. This rifle ships standard with a 14.5-inch pinned and welded barrel with an extended flash hider, making the overall length of the barrel 16 inches and therefore not an NFA item. The gun also ships with our RIS-2 rail system. In this configuration, you're seeing it in flat dark earth, but you can also get it in black, and then you can also get the entire rifle in Mil-Spec Plus. The reason the RIS-2 is so reliable and durable is, number one, it's very, very robustly built. It's a larger rail system than the rest of our lineup, and it has a much more robust bolt-up system in the back of the rifle. The rifle is also going to ship with our Daniel Defense rail panels, which make for a very comfortable feel on those Picatinny rail sections. Much like the other rifles that we have in our lineup, they're all going to ship with an ambidextrous selector lever. This particular rifle is going to ship with a mil-spec trigger and our new Daniel Defense Grip and Rip ambidextrous charging handle. I can guarantee you, if you give this weapon a chance, you will not be disappointed in the reliability, durability, and the accuracy.
There are hundreds of companies out there making semi-auto sporting rifles in the AR style. But how do you improve on an AR? If you're Steyr, you start with the world-famous AUG and create a civilian version. If you want the Steyr AUG A3. The original bullpup, the AUG takes the same 16-inch barrel found in the AR and recesses it into the stock, leaving you with a rifle that's a good 7 to 9 inches shorter than the typical AR without sacrificing accuracy, which makes it perfect for confined positions or clearing a room. As for its modular concept, the AUG can be quickly disassembled into 6 main component groups without tools. The AUG is extremely durable, needing virtually no cleaning or oils, and adaptable to extreme adverse conditions, unlike the typical AR that needs regular oiling and maintenance to stay reliably functional. There's a reason over 20 militaries around the world rely on the Steyr AUG. A durable, fun-to-shoot military-style semi-auto, and don't want the same old cookie-cutter AR that all the couch commandos out there have. You want the original bullpup Steyr AUG A3.